Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a group voice call from a group chat on Android. It's a great way to connect with multiple people at once. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the group chat you want to voice call. The first step is to open the group chat you want to voice call. This can be done by opening WhatsApp on your Android device and selecting the group chat from your list of chats. Step 2. Initiate the group call. If your group chat has 33 or more participants, tap Group Call to initiate a voice call. If your group has 32 or fewer participants, skip to Step 4. Step 3. Add participants to the call. Once you initiate the group call, you can add the contacts you want to join the call by tapping Add Participant and selecting the contacts you want to add. Once you've added the contacts, tap Voice Call to start the call. Step 4. Initiate a voice call. If your group chat has 32 or fewer participants, tap Voice Call to initiate a voice call. You'll receive a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, the call will start. Step 5. Participate in the call. Only group members can participate in the call. Once the call has started, you can talk to your group members just like in a regular voice call. You can also add or remove participants during the call by tapping the Add Participant or End Call buttons. That's it! You've successfully made a group voice call from a group chat on Android. It's a great way to connect with multiple people at once and have a conversation. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.